Galing may music. Ay, wow. Impact. Dali ito din. Ay, oo. Dami din, no? Oo. Ay, wow. Eh, ni may mga suga din, no? Kung gabi, no? Ay, nami. Bibi na? We are here in Festive Walk, Iloilo. Then, oo. Dila, oh. Oo, ah. Oh, we are here in Starbucks. Wow. Starbucks. Uy, may mga bata. We are here inside na in the Festive Walk. Window shopping, guys. Window shopping na naman agad. Pick up. Wala ako. Dami ko to lipstick ko. Ah, may singing man. Ay, wow. Yes, sir. Ay, oo. Wow, kanami. Ah, taligla ako. Wow, nang kasama ko. Tatlo kami window shopping. And also, ha?
Isa-isa lang diba pag spend ko tapos ay
Oo. Sagwa ko kaya mo man ko na mo. Mag-in off ako. Gabakal ko na ice cream sa McDonald's. Kinamiss ko na. Galing wala dito sa lapit sa akin. Di ba? Tag-15. Good man na siya.
gusto ko kasi napagamay ko ilabi niya. Kinsin nila ako barato.
Oo. Ay, di. Maka-ice cream. Maka-ice cream ni si PB na, no? Oo. Ice cream ko nung kani.
Ano man din sa bahay.
Oo.
May mga kwarto.
Kami ni Nunoy, tultulan niya ni. Nagapanghagad na nga makadrutin. Ay, wow. Ito ari ng food court. Wow, this is the food court here in Festive Walk, guys.
Tapos hindi ka niyo malo. Tapos pinyagas ba ako?
Japan Home Center. Ay, ari may ano din ho. Nature Republic. And we are going in the food court. Window shopping, guys. With my nephew and my friend. Kalo mo, Kevin, di mo pagkalimtan na? Ay, mayari man, di gali nga mag-exchange ka ho. Kung may dollar. Kung may dollar ka. Silip mo. Wala pa si... Ay, wow. First time. Oh. Yeah, we will go in the food court. We will eat ice cream. No?
May siya sa punta may.
Oo. Masi-R ka, Kevin, hindi? Ay, hindi pa. Okay, guys. Magsaka na kami ko sa babaw para mag-ice cream, guys. Ay, wow. Mega World Cinema. The Taiwan shabu-shabu, guys. Let's eat. And the Summer House Restaurant. Wow. And here also Balay Ilonggo. Wow. Ha?
Teka, dito ka, dito ka sa kayo na. Ang mga terminal lang na lang yan.
Pakadto sa?
Grabe dati.
Pakadto sa city? Oo. We are here in Festive Walk in Iloilo City, guys. Nami galidikin pag the Watson here in Festive Walk. Oh, Pick and Save. Oro China. Wait, guys. Options Boutique. RCR. Oh, we are going in the other building. Device. Ay, may kakanta? Macau Imperial. Wow. Mascara chicken inasal. Wow. Even Bistro Ocean City. Ito, somebody singing out down. Oh. Wala ice cream.
Yes.
Wala ice cream. Wow, si Mang Pakpak. Oh. Puro pakpak diyan yan. Nabaligya. Ariyo. Ay, wow. Si Mang Pakpak ko. Here, guys. And Festive Walk. If you want to eat only the wings, here. Mang Pakpak. Si Mang Pakpak. We're now in food court, guys. Paris University. Wow. I remember when I was out. Wow, baliwag. Oh, let's eat na, guys. Oh, we are here na in food court. We're going in the third floor. Classic ballet. Oo. We're here in the third floor, guys. Metro Pacific. Pag halimbawa, iya magbayad, kaya ka kuryente mo, nga samor din ang mo. Ang more. Even is making his tie shoes. Oh. Ay. We will go now and the third floor, guys. We're going in the third floor with my friend and my nephew. There. Oh, 10%. Ika namin, nakabinit na mo. Ngara mo nga tubuldik ko. Ang bed. Ang si Kevin. Here, this festive walk, guys. Ay, mapongko. Ano ni? ISSS. Hello, guys. Welcome to my channel. We are here today on festive walk. Either Central. Winter. Oh, cool now. It's too hot outside. We are here now in the other building on festive walk. Ah?
Sila yung mga
Ah,
makasa na yun.
oh.
Starbucks.
In the festive walk. Um, my friend. Huh? We are here outside the festive walk. Wow. Oo. May mga suga ni, no? Gunamit diri pag-gabi, Nami diya magpamasyal pag-gabi. Here, the McDonald's. Outside of the festive walk. There, the McDonald's. It's the McDonald's. No? Oo. Oh. Vegas your way. There, the jeep, guys. Oh, there. That even? There, that may go. Oh. This way, going on the cinema. So, but you are not going to watch movies. We're just turning around, window shopping. There, guys. Nice. Oh, there is National here every day. National every day, the bookstores. And there, guys. Nice view here in Festive Walk, Iloilo. Festive Walk is small here in Iloilo. Here, the Ideal Vision Center. There, the EO Kids and Apo. What is this? Denim. Ay, wow. Tagpilani king, oh. Tatlo, 1,000 pesos, guys. See the price of the t-shirt here in Iloilo. Slee. Here, and here the 50% off. Ay, wow. Denim. 1,000. Oh. 3 pieces, guys, is 1,000 pesos. So, oh, it's not expensive because the 1,000 there is 100 real. So it's cheap, guys. Not expensive. Here, all the dress. Here in Iloilo. Festive Walk. Oo. Oh, not bad. Not bad the price. See here, guys. Yeah. The price here of the sofa bed, dining table is 20%, 78,500 pesos. Oh, ay, wow, very nice. Very nice. 30% of 30,500. Oh my goodness, I cannot afford that. Honey and Guy. Ben, dirita. Masaka, ta diliwat to. Oh, we are here again. Here. See the Christmas tree, guys. Very nice. Very nice. See the food court, guys. We are here in the food. Noti Nachoy. Wow. Noti Nachoy. Burger combo. Oh, here. Ito yung meet and greet, oh. Kung matanaw ka. No, we will not watch, guys. We just sit here. Bumaba na kami, guys. Cash. Naglutom ko na si Bibin. Ay, Arya, maano ni? Grocery? Ah, barato man na, Dike? Pare yung presyo? Oh, to my house. Oh. Ay, baligya man kami anay shumay. O, festive market. Bakal ko na si Kevin sa shumay. Siopaw, galit mag-siopaw kami, guys.
Tuwa ka mo.
Oh, 16, mag-siopaw. Ano siya? Ara man, ano na, Kingo? Tinapay? Ara, oh, may turon, may lumpia. Kibinara gali, oh. May mga turon, may lumpia. 25 ang turon. Ano kadako na? Ay, may lumpia pa. May lumpia, Kingo. Ang lumpia nga, ano pala, ng togi. May lumpia togi sila. Haki, Ben? Amo na lang na. Tag may ano, Kingo? Ang coffee yaw, 10%. Ano yung 10 pesos? Ano na, ha? Ha? Matamis? Siupaw ko, no? Oh, ito yung mga baklo niya. Oh. Ano? Siupaw? Wala ko, no? Siupaw? Dali di mabayad, tadi. Siupaw siya.
Tuwain nyo.
Oo. Dali lang economic tani na. Dalang kibina. Festive Walk, Iloilo. Oh, we are here in Charlie. Chiquibi. Hello guys, we are here outside in the festive walk. See how nice view guys. We are here outside in the festive walk guys. See nice the view. At coffee, this we are still here in Toki Toki Toki. Ay, dili tao? Then, ano na, ano, ang ice cream. Pado flavor. We are still here in festive walk outside though. Now we are walking. Ay, ara, mga jeep po. To, ano to? Ano na? Mo ng terminal? Ay, so we are waiting the bus here. And McDonald's is behind us. The McDonald's. We're waiting the bus. Waiting the bus. Oh, birdie. Birdie, oh. Oh, apat na sila. Waiting the bus.